Hello everybody, Dr. K back with you for Advanced Google Analytics Unit 3 Part 2. And uh, in this video we're going to talk a little bit about categorizing users and sessions. And one of the things that we want to distinguish between as we categorize are the new versus the returning users. We can track data on that. But there's a couple of limitations to note about differentiating users. You know, everybody has a unique browser cookie that when they go to a session, that information is collected. But the next time, but let's say that that user cleans out their cookies, inside of their computer. They can appear again as a new user. So that's one thing that might confuse the issue. But in general, we can differentiate between people who are used to our website, who are returning users, and new users. And so the first time somebody comes to your page, that will be a page view hit. And then the next time they do something, that will be an event hit. Sometimes, remember now, if you leave a session, if you leave your computer on and walk away for more than 30 minutes, that will automatically trigger a bounce. But you can change that if you get into the configurations, if you wish, but maybe you want them to have a little more time before it's considered a bounce. Maybe the videos are longer or something like that. So you can extend that. So when we look at all of our users, we can track how we're doing in our various campaigns. We can see how we're doing from our various sources and our various demographics. And as we track campaigns, we can see which campaigns are more successful than other campaigns. Remember that, like we talked about in the last video, we can set up different goals. So maybe we're successful in one of our goals, but we're not successful in another goal. Or maybe we're targeting a new selection of users from a different region perhaps, and we want to analyze how that campaign is going. We can also connect from other sources. We can connect from other parts of other internet sources, and also at the same time differentiate between a new visitor and a returning visitor. We can get even deeper into that with the measurement. It's called a Google Analytics measurement protocol. And these are for people who really have an involved website, perhaps lots of sales going on, or very active membership, much further developed website than you might have right now, having just started with this course. But I've included links for information on the Google Analytics measurement protocol for those of you who wish to take it a step further. So we've been talking about looking at categorization of users. And in this video, now go back and look at your users and returning users both on your website, and see what's happening with the Google Analytics merchandise website as they track users and various campaigns. And then I will be back with you again in Unit 3, Part 3. Dr. K saying goodbye.